have this one. I can't really show the number plates because that would be losing my identity. I have this one here. It's a Harley. And then whatever this is. We have this here. Look at that engine. Pretty cool, hey? Is there any good car? Oh, there's these over here. There's this one over here. It's like a bike, technically. Yeah. Then we have this Ford. It's a old, maybe 100-year-old Ford. Because my dad has one here. Speaking of that, I'll just show you it very quick. Let me just... I'm filming a YouTube video. It is. The 400-year-old plus year car. Look at the engine. Then we have this car. Anyways, look at this. The cool car. The CTR XU1, I guess. Then we have a Beetle. Look at that. And it has a surfboard up there. It has a really cool design that it actually looks like the car. We have this one. Now we have a Nissan 350Z. It's one of my favorite cars, to be honest. But
yeah. That's all pretty tall.
there's still a couple over here. I haven't shown yet.